Hey everyone, welcome to Anaheim Park Tours. Today I'm giving you a room tour of our room here at the King's Inn in Anaheim.
King's Inn is located at 415 West Catella Avenue in Anaheim. It is 0.8 of a mile or a 17-minute walk to the gates of Disneyland. King's Inn is rated number 28 out of 118 hotels in Anaheim at the time of filming. Amenities include a pool, spa, free Wi-Fi, and all-day parking on checkout day. We paid for this room out of our own pocket.
I booked a 2-queen room here at the King's Inn, and so far I am pleasantly surprised. The outside of the hotel is dated, it's an older style motel, but the inside has been recently refreshed and it has hardwood floors, fresh linens, it's clean, it smells good, and for the price, it can't be beat. I paid $67 a night for this hotel room and it is walking distance to Disneyland. You might ask, how did I book this room for $67 a night on a Halloween party night in October? Well, I have access to a number of different discount websites, GovX and Working Advantage, and they sometimes have these great rates that we can take advantage of. I encourage you to look at these websites, Working Advantage or GovX, to see if you qualify for access. There are no USBs in this room. However, right here in this lamp, there are 2 plugs you can plug a charging block into and charge your devices. Over at this desk area here, there are 2 power outlets you can use for charging or a laptop. The room includes a nice sized mini fridge, but there is no microwave. This is a budget hotel and it reflects in the TV size. It's quite small for the room. However, we're here to go to Disneyland and not necessarily watch TV. The dresser here has deep drawers, and if I stay at a hotel for long term, I like to use the dresser for my dirty clothes. This wardrobe here offers some closet space. In there, there's an ironing board, iron, and below is extra blankets and a safe that can fit a 15-inch laptop. Over here in this section, there's a large area that is right of the wardrobe, and you can store a pack and play, maybe 2 scooters or strollers in this area. Additionally, there is a luggage rack right here, and there's only 1 in the room, and it's hanging on the wardrobe. The sink area here is separate from the toilet and the shower, and it is large. You can really spread out your toiletries and make yourself at home here. One thing I do want to mention about this sink area, the lighting is dim. There's only 1 light that's directly above you, and that could cause problems if you need bright light to get ready in the morning. The bathroom here is clean. It is a toilet and shower combination. There is no tub here, which is sort of rare for a motel. The shower head does sit about 6'2", 6'3", so if you are shorter, you may have a harder time to adjusting that shower head. Other than that, everything here so far looks good. So far, I've been very impressed by this room. For the amount I paid, $67 a night plus tax, everything has been recently refreshed. You do have your normal motel issues where you do hear people walking by and you do hear cars driving by in the parking lot. I'm in the very back of the property and occasionally I do hear cars driving by in the distance. However, everything here has been recently refreshed. It's new, it's clean, and I'll share my overnight experience staying here. If you want to check out a similar hotel, go ahead and click this video here. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.